cooking show. Oh, hey, guess what? What? I heard that we are gonna start off the cooking show today. We are? Yeah, is that awesome? Yeah. All right, so. You're not starting off the cooking show. Why not?
Well, you kind of are.
You were talking for her.
Whoa! Whoa!
I can't believe.
Whoa! 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 Oh, I'm naked. Whoa!
Help me.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm naked.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
yeah, and then you put
appropriate.
those out.
Oh, oh.
And then make sure you have forks at home, kids. They're very useful.
Oh, sorry. She has a fork.
I have a fork. Oh, she has a fork. I have a fork.
Now, you mash these up. Oh, yeah. Help us! Help us! Help us! Help! Sorry, we just saw something back there.
Yeah, it was a spider.
Yeah. There's lots of spiders.
Yeah. There was even one on my foot in an earlier episode.
I thought it was a goldfish, okay? It looks like a goldfish.
She needs glasses.
Oh, I don't. Do I?
No, you don't.
I knew I did. Duh.
You mean didn't? You said did.
I do.
Look at. All right, now we need a spoon.
All right.
Each
we
of us get a
need
spoon.
a spoon and a spoon.
Stirring spoon.
And a spoon we shall get.
We're mixing up.
Stirring. Oh yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Isn't this fantastic? Oh, this
we're
is
just-
all over the baby girl. This is all over the globe.
Yeah.
Don't
Our
you
taste tester is going to taste this.
No, we're not.
Well, then we will.
Yeah, we will.
As long as she doesn't put any more popcorn in it.
Yeah. Isn't that right?
No popcorn for you.
All right, I think we're done here.
Yeah. Let's zoom on this. Ooh. All right.
Let's
Here we
taste
go.
them. It's perfect. No, it's not. It's gross. No. This is my mom's kitchen.
Never try that.
Okay.
A lesson to be learned. Never.
What if it's the end of the world?
It looks like puke.
Never.
All right. Next video, we'll have a special guest star. Her name is Ice Orange Crystal 1.
Yeah, she's our friend.
Yeah. I made some videos with her.
And here she's coming soon. So goodbye.
See you next